Kublai api ki prolog sa shisen hakane kashana. I could not go to market yesterday. I could not go to market yesterday. Khasi ngaklam la ban lek yau menin. Could you be able to do that work? Could you be able to do that work? Khasi hatu phila ban lek ya katu kakam. I will not be able to do that work. I will not be able to do that work. Khasi ngan omla ban le ya katu kakam. I shall not be able to come office tomorrow. I shall not be able to come office tomorrow. Khasi ngan omla ban wan la shai sha office. Me ban began to laugh. Me ban began to laugh. Khasi ume ban ulas dang ban rki. Lily began to laugh. Lily began to laugh. Khasi kalili kalas dang ban rki. The girls began to study. The girls began to study. Khasi ki khana kan thai ki las dang ban pulikot. The boys began to study. The boys began to study. Ki khana shinrang ki las dang ban pulikot. I am feeling thirsty. I am feeling thirsty. Khasi nga sliang I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. Khasi nga snow kriat. I got injured. I got injured. Khasi nga laman sao. I am feeling hot. I am feeling hot. Khasi nga snow shit. A picture is picked on that wall. A picture is picked on that wall. Khasi ya kadur la pendaj ha kenro. A fan is fixed to the ceiling. A fan is fixed to the ceiling. Ya kapakha la pendaj ha sat.